Welcome back to the channel. Game NFT meets crypto mining. RollerCoin is the #1 Bitcoin mining game where you play, build, and earn real crypto rewards. Let's dive in and see how it looks. Alright guys, if you're ready to get into some NFTs, yes, there's still a hot topic in a free-to-play crypto mining game where you can have loads of fun. I think this is something you should check out. If you're into Bitcoin mining, you're going to love this as well. So stick with me until end. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, carry out due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not prepared to lose. The #1 Bitcoin mining game with over 5 million players, and you can grab 1,000 Satoshis right now. What is it? Well, we can see little Hamtaro smashing it right here on his desktop, and you could be doing the same, earning some BTC. As you can see, 84 BTC mined. And I know there are loads of miners online. You're probably wondering, what on earth is this? So this is RollerCoin, a free-to-play crypto mining game, as you can see. You could earn real crypto rewards, build mining farms, complete quests, and compete globally in a genuine NFT experience. Yes, NFTs are still a thing. I know there was loads of hype in 2021 and 2022, but non-fungible tokens are here to stay. You just need to find the right ones and the right projects. Do you feel like you make amazing content, but it just gets buried by the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank at the top quickly. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you to YT Ranker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open an incognito window so our browsing history stays fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. And as you can see, I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. There is my videos right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's go back to the video. We can see the mini games here, powering things up, and the more you play, the more you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other assets in the game. You can buy, sell, and trade racks and parts as your NFTs, create your own coasters, customize your strategy, craft and merge miners. So yes, you can make miners right here, but the best part is, this doesn't run up your electricity bill. Maybe it runs up theirs, but who knows? They're having fun, playing a bit of Pong, and that's what it's all about. Bringing an awesome community together, playing quests, crafting miners, having fun. If you have a good community, we'll have a good product. Well, over 5 million people are playing it worldwide. RollerCoin runs weekly quests, leaderboard competitions, and brilliant events. You can win rewards. So, will you be at the top of the leaderboard? I'm looking forward to seeing your name up there. And this is actually a real economy. What do I mean by that? You can withdraw and earn crypto at any time. You don't have to worry about anything like that. And also, they have a proven track record. A lot of crypto projects pop up and disappear within a year. They've been around since 2018, offering free rewards, and new players start with 1,000 Satoshis and a welcome bonus. They're also recognized as one of the first major mining-based play-to-earn games. You can see the reviews right here on Trustpilot. Very, very good. Top rewards, looking brilliant right here. They've been featured in Being Crypto, CoinGate, CoinMarketCap. Dive into the mining action. You can play how, and give them a big follow on their social media right there. Guys, we found it for you, the ultimate crypto mining game. Get your BTC? What on earth are you waiting for? And I think this is really, really cool. So give them a big fella. As you can see, if you're wondering, is this legit? They have over 200,000 followers right here, which is brilliant. They've got that all at radio. We've got Clash of the Leagues. I'm excited to see and take part in some of these quests, compete, have a laugh, get on those leaderboards, and show off those NFTs. This is RollerCoin. You heard it from me first. Very, very exciting. Bring those NFTs to life. Get stuck into those Bitcoin mining games and have a good time. Real crypto since 2018. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you know when I post more videos. Any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.